Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A42 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, open Settings, scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Then scroll all the way down and click on one-handed mode. Click on the switcher next to Use one-handed mode to activate it. Then scroll down and pick one of the options to reduce display size width. I will go with button, so I have to tap on it and double tap home button. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you want to go back to the normal mode, click on the black area, and to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!